can you go to the URL and test the work because I can't see the job list or submit form. And you can actually give the URL of submit form as well. So now it is navigating to a particular page. And if we go back to our terminal, we can just go to the option 2 and tell it to not ask us again for this. And it will actually create a JSON file. It is also important to see. So it creates a JSON file where it has permissions of what to allow and what not to allow. So you can actually see the list and have this ready for your next project. So you don't have to press this again and again. So now it is asking to click on something. So let's allow that forever. And this will be added here. Nice. How did we not see it? So this is actually ready. Back to all jobs. Nice. I think what it did is created a custom slug for its archive page and the detail page. And you can see this is really, really cool.